Hello guys, this is Vijay Kumar. In this video, we are going to create a professional looking portfolio website to showcase your skills, bio and works that you have done so far. After completing this video, you will be having a fully functional single page portfolio website and custom email address like your name at yourwebsite.com. So why to waste time? Let's get started. I work so hard to give you the best possible information to digest easily. So I made this video in a step-by-step format. Whenever you feel like you lost somewhere while you are making your own website, you can just check the description of this video. There I added timestamps to each section for easier navigation. For any website, you need two things. One is domain name and hosting account. Domain name is your website name. It can be like vijaykumar.com. By this, users can find your website online when they type www.vijaykumar.com. And the hosting is that you are buying space from companies like GoDaddy or Namecheap to keep your website available 24/7. So, in order to buy a domain name and hosting, you need to go to websites like godaddy.com or namecheap.com. I would recommend to go with the namecheap.com because their prices are very competitive. So just type in www.namecheap.com. Once the website loads, you will find a search box. This is for searching a domain name. You need to first check if your domain name is available or not. So in my case, I want to buy a domain name with my name. So let's try vijaykumar.com. Most of the times simple domain names like this won't available. So you need to add yourself something at the end or at the beginning of the domain name. Like in my case, if I search now, as you can see here it is registered, right? So if I add like Vijay Kumar resume, then it will be available. So what I can do is I will now just click on add to cart button. Now the domain name is now added to my cart. Now I want to buy a hosting, right? So you need to go to hosting and click on shared hosting. Here you need to select the first plan, Stellar plan. As you can see, the prices are very cheap. It's just $1.44 per month. So just click on it. Will give you 20 GB SSD, 3 websites and domain name. Just click on get started. Now it is asking to connect your domain. Now you have already added your domain name to the cart. So just you have already selected the new domain. It is already in the cart. So what is in the cart? It is vijaykumarresume.com. okay, just select on it. Now as you can see, we have selected the Stellar plan with my domain name. Total price is $24.44. just click on add to cart. Once you click on the add to cart button, it will take you to the cart page to confirm all the orders. Here just once check whether you enter the right details. For the domain name, it is vijaykumarresume.com. yes, it is hosting is Stellar, which is $17.28 and $7 approximately for the domain name. Yeah, all the details are perfect. Just click on confirm order. Once you click on confirm order, it will ask you to log in or create a new account. If you already have a Namecheap account, just you can log in with your credentials, or else you need to create a new Namecheap account. For that, you just need to create username first. In my case, I am using the same name as my domain name, so Vijay Kumar resume, okay, and password. Suggest a strong password. Use the suggested passwords. My name is Vijay Kumar, first name, last name, okay, and I will use a random email address. Yeah, now just click on create account and continue. In my case, I'm not going to create a new account because I already have account, so I'm going to log into my existing account. Now once I log into my account, it will, even if you create new account, it will take you to this page. Here you need to enter your card details and just finish the order. It is all self-explanatory, so I'm just going to skip this for now, and I will show you how it looks like once you complete the order. Once you finish the order, just come back to the home page of the Namecheap website, and then just go to the account tab and click on dashboard. If you are not logged in, it will ask you for login information. I am already logged in, so it is now just showing the domain name and all those things. Here you will find your hosting and domain information. In my case, there is actually so many domain names and hosting accounts, so in your case it is only shows like this one, the second one. Just click on the arrow here. Now it will show you the domain name and the hosting. Just click on the stellar hosting as manage. Here you can see this is your hosting information. It is showing like disk space is 20 GB, bandwidth is unmetered, hosted domains are 3. That means you can add up to 3 websites in the single server. Server host name is, this is just where the server is located in their servers, and the IP address, and the server location is US data center. Now these are all the options. You don't need to mess up with this, so just click on go to cPanel. It will take you to the control panel, where you can completely manage your website, email accounts, and if you want to add new domains, you can add here. Everything can be managed from this control panel, cPanel. Okay, now what you need to do is just search for the WordPress icon. Okay, it is at the bottom of the list, so just click on WordPress. There are actually so many ways you can build a website, but here we are going to use WordPress. It is a content management system, open source software, which we are going to install on our website, and on that platform we are going to build our own website. Okay, so just click on install. Now it is showing the domain name that I have actually bought for another purpose, but I'm using for this tutorial, so I'm just going to use another one. Give a site name. It is portfolio website. It should be like your name portfolio or your name resume. I'm just, for the tutorial purpose, I'm just giving some name. Site description will be like Kumar resume. Just give it whatever you want. Okay, and the details, login details. So in order to manage your website, to add pages, posts, photos, anything, you need a login details, right? So in my case, I'm going to keep it as admin, and for now I'm just giving an easy password so that we can work on that one. So I'm just giving admin @123. Now it is showing, as you can see, it is showing good. Okay, let's use that. That's it, guys. Don't go with any of these options, just click on install. See, it is showing password string must be greater than 80. So let's give some critical password. Okay, just give like portfolio @123. Okay, yeah, it is 85. Great. Just click on install. Now you can see, congratulations, the software is installed successfully on the domain 99chess.com. So this is your login URL and this is your normal website URL. Okay, now I'm going to click on this one. I'm just going to open new tab. This is how it looks once you finish the installation. It's the default layout. So what we need to do is we need to start making changes and make it as a portfolio website. To make any change on the website, you must need to log into your WordPress dashboard. So for that, you just type your domainname.com/wp-admin. Just type it and enter. You will be redirected to this login page. Here you need to enter your WordPress login details. Whenever you install WordPress, you will receive a message from the hosting that shows like this. Just open it. Here you can find all the details about your new installation. Here, as you can see, this is your username. I'm just copying it and just paste. Password is we have already created, right? portfolio@123. Just enter it and click login. Just close it. Yeah, now you're in the WordPress dashboard. Here are the options. Don't worry, don't freak out. I'm going to explain everything in detail. So the very first thing you need to do is change your website name and description. For that, you just need to go to settings. Here you can see site title and the tagline. Just change the site title to Vijay Kumar resume, right? And tagline will be what I should say, your job description, I should say. YouTuber. Yeah, that's what I do. That's it. Just add your title and tagline. Save changes. Now to see your website, just go here and click on this one. I'm opening a new tab and you can see Vijay Kumar resume and YouTuber. As you can see, Vijay Kumar resume, YouTuber in the title. Now you need to completely change your layout, right? For that, in WordPress we have themes. For themes, we need to go to appearance. Here you can see there are a lot of themes. So none of this works for a portfolio, to build a portfolio website. So we need to click on add new. I am recommending to go with the Ocean WP theme. It is one of the best theme out there. It's free. So just type in Ocean WP in the search box. The theme will show up. Just click on install. Yeah, now the theme is installed. We need to just activate it. Now if you go to your front end to the website and refresh your home page, see, the layout is completely changed. Now we use this theme to build our portfolio website. So as you can see, there is a notice showing here that the theme is recommending the following plugins. So we click on begin installing plugins. We select all, select options, install, apply. Now all the required plugins are installed and activated. So now just go to dashboard. See, it is showing welcome to WP Forms, and we also installed another plugin. It is Elementor. It is a page builder we use, and to see all the plugins you can actually go to plugin section. See, these are the plugins. Actually there are 5 plugins. We installed 3: the Elementor, Ocean Extra and WP Forms Lite. There are 2 more plugins, Akismet, Anti-Spam and Halodoli. Actually we don't need those, so we're gonna delete them. Yeah, see the notification, it is showing welcome to Ocean W. Are you ready to create amazing new website? It is asking to run the setup wizard. Let's click on run the setup wizard. Click on get started. Just click on one page. Here you have 2 templates, but I like the mega gym. It's a gym template, but we will customize it and make it as our own. So here is the live preview of it. As you can see, this is a very beautiful website, right? So we are going to make some changes, make it as a portfolio website. So yeah, for that just click on select and install demo. It is just confirming the information, so just click import. It's very easy, guys. You don't need to create any specific pages or anything like that. Everything will be taken care of by itself. Hope you are enjoying the video, and if you really enjoyed, just click the like button. Now it is asking to upload a logo and the site title, tagline, all those things. For now we're gonna keep them as it is, so just click on continue. Yeah, it is just showing some promotions, but we don't need any of those. Just view our website now. Here on the dashboard. Now just refresh your home page. See, our new website is ready. Of course we need to make changes, right? Yeah, so let's start making changes. To make any changes to your website, we need to go to our home page. Just click on it and open in the new tab. This is our website, right? As you can see, here you can find edit with Elementor. Just click on that one. This is our page builder. By using this page builder, the website was created. So just click on that one. You will come to this page. As you can see, these are all the individual elements that are arranged so properly that looks very nice on our front end. So to add or delete any element on this website, you can just right click on any element. You have multiple options here. Just if you want, you can delete any element, and if you want to add new element, as you can see, here is a left hand side panel. There are so many elements, right? What you can do is, let's say if I want to add a one more headline here, all I can do is just, as you can see, heading, just drag this one and you can just leave it wherever you want. I want to appear here, so I just want to leave it here. By default it will be like this with the default text color, default text size. So if you want to make it looks like this, what you can do is just edit the element properties. What you can do is just click the property. Here you can see all the options relative to this element. So it's a heading element, so most likely it will have alignment property. So as you can see, the above heading is in the center, so we first need to make it center, and the size is very large. Yes, and just remove some text so that it looks better. And yeah, this is the normal. If you want to add new content here, you can add it here. And when it comes to style tab, as you can see, there are 3 tabs here. One is the main content, and the next is it's a style tab. So here you can define the text color. So text color should be white, yeah. And the typography, here you can choose font family, size, weight, transform, styles, everything. Here what you can do is just increase your size here also if you want more size when you than the default XXL. So yeah, here. And the weight should be, you can make it as bold if you want to, right? And you can change the text transform, style, decoration. If you want to italic, you can make it as italic. Everything can be controlled from this typography. Yeah, and when it comes to advanced, there are 2 things that you need to know. One is margin and padding. Margin is like it will give space to these elements on all sides. Let's say for example, if I want to add some space top and bottom and on all the sides, what you can do is just give the how many pixels you want. If you type 50, see here the 50 pixels is added on the top and bottom, because by default it is selected to change all the values when you type in one value. So you can just click on the unlink button. So now you can see, if you want to remove everything, now it is only 50 pixels padding, 50 pixels margin only on the top. Similarly, padding is similar to the margin, but it will give the spacing inside the element. For example, if we give same 50, you can see the element is stretching to 50 pixels padding. So 50 pixels padding means it's inside the element, and the 50 pixels margin means it's outside the element. Hope you understand. Don't worry, once we start doing all the things, you will come to understand if you just miss this time. Okay, yeah. For now, what we need is, we need to remove the elements that are not necessary. See, pricing, this is not necessary for now for us. We can just keep this section alive, so that we can add later. We can later add few more things. And the background pictures, we will remove them. And here we need to add a contact form, so that if someone needs to contact you, they can just enter the name, email, and the subject message. It will directly reach your inbox, and it's your location. If you want to add your location, you can add, or else you can just remove it. That's it, simple. So let's get started with this one. So the first thing we noticed is the background image. It is absolutely not relevant to us. So what you can do is just the background image is applied to this section. So we just click on this one. Just click on this one, and you need to come to style. See, here is the background image. See, for every element and every column, every row, these 3 tabs are mostly common, because this is the main properties of that element, and the next is the styles, and the next is margin, padding, all those things. So in the styles, as you can see, here is the background image. Just click on that to change the background image. I already have a background image downloaded from the internet, so I'm just going to load this one, PG image. I'm just going to rename it. just drag and drop here. Yeah, we uploaded the image. Just click on insert media. Now the image is uploaded. Just you can see the how it looks like, right? Here under this image there are some more properties like how to make your position, attachment, repeat, all those things. You can just make it as center if you want to. Then it looks like this. The image will be center. Attachment, you can make it as fixed or scroll. Fixed means, as you can see, the image is absolutely fixed. Only your website will start scrolling. This is actually good effect. I love this one. And repeat, no, I don't want to repeat. Most likely it won't happen because the image is extremely large, so it will not repeat. Otherwise, if the image is so small, what happens is it will make as a tiles, like here is half image, here is half image, like that. So size should be cover, entire image should be up here. This means, and auto means it will automatically adjust the settings, but we need to cover. So the entire area should be covered with the image that we have. As you can see, now it looks like this. Looks more professional, right? Yeah, getting there, no problem. Now we need to add some elements or remove some elements. So in here I don't want this one, so I just delete this one. Let's say your name is Daniel. Okay, yeah, your designation will be web designer, let's say. It's too big, so let's go to styles, properties, in the typography, just decrease the size. Yeah, looks good, I think. Yeah, and you can increase the Daniel size, right? Let's make it 100 so that your name looks better, and it's your designation. And you can just add your text if you want to. For now I'm just adding some random text. I don't want this to be bold, keep it as normal. Yeah, you can, I believe, yeah, light is good, 300. And here the text size can be this much. Yeah, it looks good, I believe. Yeah, just once you're done with the changes, just click on update. You don't need to finish entire web page. Whenever you finish one section or adding any critical element, just click on update, because if your power lost or your internet connection lost, the page won't get saved on the server. It remains on your desktop, so your efforts will be waste if you lose the connection. So just click on update every time you make some changes. And the button, what you can do is, now instead of drive class, you can say contact me, right? Yeah, link, we will actually link this to the contact form page. That means whenever someone clicks on this button, he will just automatically comes down to this section, which will be our contact form. So for now I'm just leaving with the hash, no link. Later we will add all the links for the buttons. Okay, just now click on update. Let's see how it looks. Once you're done with the website, you can just click on the eye icon here. It will see it will show as preview changes. Just click on this one. See, now it looks great, right? The first section. Don't look at them. Now the next section we are going to add is our skills, right? So just come back to this page, editing page, and here our process, it is showing our process. So what you can do is, you can just delete any element and you can add your own. But for now, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to duplicate this one, just in case in future if we need these elements we don't need to add it manually again. So if once we finish our website and we don't need these elements, then we can just delete this one. So for now I'm just going to delete this, and our process should be my skills, right? Yeah, now my skills. So what are your skills? Let's add them. To add my skills, but in which format you are going to add? I want to add in a progress bar type. Like in HTML I have 50% knowledge, in CSS I have 90% knowledge, and in Photoshop I have 30% knowledge, like that. For that, what you need to do is, the first thing you need to do is just add inner section. Oh my god, it is added above. So what you can do is just drag it up. Yep, yeah, here. Then what you should do is just come down here and look for what is its name, I forgot. Progress bars. Yeah, correct. Progress bars means they will show your progress. See how it looks like. Great. So my skill, what is my skill? Let's say HTML. Okay, now my percentages, let's say 80%. Display percentage, show. Inner text, web designer, TML. I don't want this because we're just going to add few more. So when it comes to styling, what you can do is progress bar styles and title styles. So we didn't add any titles, so we are going to edit the progress bar style. Let's see which color matches our skills. So what is the background color? Let's see what. Oh, this is okay, but I think this red is good enough, right? See, okay, let's look green. Yeah, I mean, to my eyes everything looks good actually. Yeah, blue. Yeah, blue looks good. Oh man, everything looks good to me. Let's go with the green. Okay, no problem. Or else we can go with different colors for different skills. What is background color? I don't know. Oh, this one. No need. No need. Yeah. Keep it like this. This color. Oh, yeah, this looks okay. Now what I'm going to do is, instead of making these colors every time, then just duplicate, 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 and I'm going to just this is so simple, guys. You can just drag your elements here. You can drag like this. You can just duplicate. Yeah, we're gonna add 6 skills. One is HTML, and another one is, you can just edit here, CSS, and the another one is JavaScript, another one is, let's say, WordPress, another one is Photoshop, and the another one is what do you need? Okay. Okay, Adobe Illustrator. Yeah, we already gave 80% HTML, and the CSS will be 93%, and the JavaScript will be 45%. No, it's too much difference. Yeah, let's keep it 68, and the WordPress is 100%, because I'm pretty sure I can. any kind of website on WordPress. And for the Photoshop, it's kind of big deal. Yeah, 59 is good enough. Adobe Illustrator, let's make it 40. See, 40 is too low. 58 into close, 84 looks good, I think. Yeah, this is great, guys. We are doing great here. Once you're done adding these things, you can make any changes you want, like background, titles, anything literally. Yeah, once you're done with this, just click on update. And just refresh the page. See how it looks. Wow, this looks sleek and just so good and simple, straight to the point. After adding my skills section, we need to add the experiences section. For that, what I'm going to do is just duplicate this existing section and duplicate it again. So what I'm going to do is just going to keep this only title in separate section, remove its padding. As you can see, there is so much gap in the bottom of the section, and the padding for the main section as well, like 10 pixels and 10 pixels. Yeah, now this is the main title of the section. So what we call this is PRAE experience. Now here we don't need this one, so we just need to duplicate this column. We don't need these progress bars, and we can just make it as 25% for the left one. Yeah, here. Now what we're going to do is we need to add our designation here, and the experience description and the remaining key skills and responsibilities will be added here. For that, I just made these two sections little bit uneven in size. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add new section in this one, because we're gonna get two lists of experiences now. So add a title here. It is, let's say, front-end developer. And description will be like text. Yeah. It is like Australia. And in here we just need to add some description. We can just keep we can just keep this text here. Text color should be in white, not too much white. So yeah, and the typography weight should be 300 is good enough. Yep. And here we need to add a list, right? So here these are the, what are these? These are, let's say, key skills. You can make it as little smaller. Here is the list of key skills that you used in that one What is that skill? HTML. Just going to duplicate it. CSS, JavaScript, WordPress. Yes, yeah. And responsibilities. Let's add responsibilities in this one. Responsibilities. You can just duplicate this, drag it in here. Build websites. Work with teammates. I'm just adding it for tutorial purpose, guys, so don't worry. And management, let's say, whatever, just yeah, you can just add your own. I'm just leaving it to your imagination. Icon, okay. I believe text is okay, but we can make a little bit white the text. Yeah, Alt, same as the icon color. Yep. Now what you can do is you can just copy this and paste style. See, cool, right? Yeah. Here I just want to make it as Melbourne, Australia. Yeah. And interior space should be 0, right? Yeah, color, we need to change the text color, right? Let's move T hash, of course. Yeah, this one looks good. I think what you can do is just duplicate this one, another one. Here you can see as GR, let's say, and you can just address, let's keep it as US, New York. Yeah, see, these are the experiences that you have added here. So the background looks same, right? So why don't we just change our background color? For that, just come here, background color, little bit. This looks okay. Yeah, I think it's better if we add little bit space at the top. For that, what we do, top, we increase it to 30%. Yeah, experience. We just need to copy this, paste style, simple. Now experience column looks great, right? We just need to update this one. Now let's see how it looks in the front end. This is the first section, skills, experience. Yeah, looks clean and nice. Now we need to add our portfolio here. So the name of the all of the projects. For that, just go back here and we can just duplicate the section again. Let's change the background. Instead of that, we can just copy it and paste its style. See, the background is here. Now we don't need all these things, so we can remove all the elements in this one. Yeah, this is empty now. Now we need to add a basic images of. Now we need to add our portfolio here. Now we need to add title, right? Just duplicate the title, drag it into yours, make it as portfolio, right? So now we need to add a gallery here, just and here, and as you can see, when I click on this element, it is asking to add images. So click on this one. I have few images here. I'm just going to select them all and drag it here. Once the image is uploaded, just click on create new gallery and insert gallery. That's it. Your portfolio items will be shown here. You can adjust their sizes and all those things. I recommend keeping 300 by 300 so they will look so crisp. And link to the media file. Yeah, don't change anything here. Space, you can just make it your own if you want to. 2, 5, 10 pixels. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good, I think. Portfolio items. We're done with the portfolio. Just click on update. Now comes to your website front end and check how it looks. Skills, experience, portfolio. See, they open in a really cool gallery type. Looks great, right? Now the next you need to add is our education. So let's go and add that as well. Just duplicate this section. We remove the gallery and it is education. To add education, we just need to add the element called accordions. So here it is. Just drag them here. Okay, just drag it up. Select this. And what I want to do is just adjust all the sizes first. The first thing I want to change the color. Copy the color and paste style. Yes. Now we need to change the title size. Size should be around 25 is good enough. Title color, okay, and the icon should be on the right side. Yep, looks good. And the content should be in the same color as the title. Yeah. So now we got the structure. Now what we need to do is we just need to add the university or school name, whatever you want, in here, accordion number 1 place, and all the details will be in here. So let's try add that. So I'm just going to add some domain information in this one, and the name should be university 1, whatever you want, and I can add the date if I want to, 13/03 2015, let's say. See, now once I done with that one, I can just duplicate it, and sometimes it is not showing up here, so I just click on update and refresh the page so that they will show up. Of course there are some bugs in this Elementor plugin as well, but nothing is perfect. Come down here, now they are showing up. Okay, and the university 2, and let's change it to 16, let's say, in whatever order you can add. I'm just adding for you guys, just for demo purpose. You can make your own change. School 1, make it as 17. Let's drag it out. School 2, $2016, and just like this. You can add any number of education qualifications you want to add, so it will be easy to access and easy to read. So once you're done with that, you can just click update and see how it looks. Scroll down. This is experience, portfolio, education. That's it. It looks great. Now the final section that we need to add is the contact us, so that they can send a message, and the remaining sections we don't need these guys. We can just remove all of them now. I just kept them this long, just just in case we may use any of these, but just once you delete it, you can just update it once, and these are the street names, phone numbers. You can just edit them, make it as your own. Here I'm just making ninjas.com, 99chess.com. That's it. Here you need to add a contact form. Just click update. To add a contact form, what you need to do is Just go to your dashboard. Remember we installed a plugin WP Forms when the theme asked to install. Here it is. Just click on this and all forms. We don't have any forms here, so just click add new. Here it is asking for form title, so it is, let's say, contact. It is simple contact form. Name, email, comment or message. Yeah, that's all we need, I believe. Just click save. Embed. Just click on embed so that we can add it anywhere. Just copy this shortcode and close it. And now come to our front end, back end. Here we just need to add a let's see if we have a shortcode. Yeah, we do have. Just add it here, copy and paste that one. See, our contact form is ready. That's it. Update it and let's see how it looks on the front. Skills, experience, portfolio, education, keep in touch. So see, yeah, there is one more section I just forgot to mention, the map section. Just optional. Yeah, if you really want to add this, what you can do is just click on this pencil icon and you can just type your location here. Once you add your location here, just click on update and your map should show up in the front end like this. Now you are almost finished your website. The only few things you need to change is the footer thing, the corporate and WP theme, and I think we can add a background image for the experience because looks little dull in this part, and the navigation here and the logo, phone number and some social icons. So let's make those changes. Okay, the first thing is I want to add a background for the experience section, so it feels like we finished the web page part. So add a background image. I just downloaded one image. I really like this one. I added in the background section, but you can add in the background overlay. So just select the image and keep the position center, attachment make it as fixed, repeat no repeat, size cover, and opacity should be, yeah, I think keep it as this, don't make any change. Yeah, now what you need to do is just copy it, style, paste style and paste style. See, now it looks very beautiful, right? Yeah, now just click on update. Now you're pretty much done with the web page. So let's go back to our dashboard. Just remove the URL, keep WP admin. Now you're at the dashboard. So the first thing you need to do is just go to appearance, customize. We are now going to add a logo and change the footer text. here. To change the footer text, just come to footer bottom. Here is all the same text that is here. Let's add copyright 2020. What is our website? Jackmar portfolio. Okay, you can add anything you want, and just putting my name here. Yeah, just same as Elementor plugin, you can just click publish. Now here it is. We need to change the header text and some social icons. For that, we need to go to top bar, click on the not general, let's see, content. Yeah, here you can keep the phone number section and remove the remaining one. Now click publish. Yeah, done with that. And the social icons, we are only going to use Twitter, Facebook, no Google Plus. You can add anything you want actually. Instagram, you can add LinkedIn, you can add no one. Yeah, you can even add email. See, just hit publish. Only those icons will appear, whatever you choose. Yeah, now we made to the top bar changes and the footer changes. The only thing that's left is the logo and the navigation. So let's make a logo first. For that, I already have a logo. You just need to go to customize, just open a new tab. Once the customize panel loads, just go to header section. Yeah, here it is, header, go to logo, just change logo, and I already have one here, upload it here. Just click select, click skip cropping. See, now my logo looks great here, right? Yeah, once you're done with, just hit publish. Now it is live now. Let's refresh this page. Yeah, now everything is done except the navigation. So when anyone clicks on these links, they should come to the respective sections of the page. For that, we need to go to dashboard, appearance. Here it is, appearance. Go to menu. Here are the links that are here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the names of all these links. So blog section, we don't need blog section, so home is okay. And in here our process, no, it's not our process, it's my skills, so it should be skills, right? Now okay, let's make it my skills. Okay, and now here instead of our trainers, we're gonna use experience. Okay, and now go to After experience, what do we have? Portfolio. Okay, portfolio. And after portfolio, education. Education, here same education, and the contact us. So keep in touch, keep the contact us. Yeah. Now we're gonna save the menu. Now if you observe closely, we added some anchors to each of the links, right? Experience, all those things, right? So what it tells is, whenever someone clicks on these links, right, whenever someone clicks on these links, they will automatically scrolls down to the page respective section. So actually we should remove all these extra URLs. We only need to keep the content of trash. So now save min. Nothing changes actually, because we only added the links, but we didn't point it on the page where to go. So we just click on edit with Elementor, the page builder, and just closing the remaining tabs. So here, now once it loads up, we need to come here. For my skills section, click on the edit section, and let's see where it is. There is something called ID. See, here it is, class ID. So here the ID should be, what is it? Skills, right? Skills. And next, for experience, section, we need to add the ID as experience. And for the portfolio, we need to add as portfolio. For education, make it as education. Keep in touch, we keep the same, just update it. That's it. Let's see if it is working or not. Yeah, my skills is working, experience is working, portfolio is correct, education is correct, and contact is also correct. So that's it, guys. This is the way to make your own portfolio website. The only one last part that's left is to create your custom email address. Let's say, for example, my domain here is itook99chess.com, but in your case it will be your name or anything like that. So for that, we go to our hosting provider, Namecheap. Just open namecheap.com, log into your account, click on dashboard. click on manage, and now go to cPanel. Here when you scroll down, you can find email accounts. Now what you can do is just click on create, and it should be your domain.com and your name. In my case it is Vijay, or else you can just keep it as hello. Looks more modern. And you can set a password. Here portfolio at 123, and click create. Once you create that, in order to access your email account, it's not like a Gmail account. You can't log into your normal Google Mail accounts. So what you need is, you just need to type your domain name and n9chess.com/webmail. Once you come here, just enter your newly created email address, hello@99chess.com, and your password, and hit enter. Now first time it is asking to use what type of client we want to use. Just go with the round cube, it's okay. See, there is already a test mail sent by the server, so that's it. Now you have your mailbox here, and all your incoming mails will come here. You can just check it. You can also configure your email to your mobile phone, but I will explain that in the next video, in the future videos. So for now, you can just, if you want to write a mail, you can just click on compose and write whatever you want, and your inbox is here. So now we have this email address, right? So we want to add it on our website. What you can do is just come here, change this to hello, and hit update. That's it. And also if you want, you can also change it on your dashboard. So just come back here onto your dashboard and go to settings, general settings. Here you can also change it to instead of admin, you can add hello at your domain.com. And for the contact form we created, right? You remember this contact form? Just click on it and click on settings, notifications. Yeah, as you can see in here, they added as a smart tag with the admin email. So whenever someone sends you a message, it will directly send to your inbox, no problem. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, hit subscribe, and if you have any doubts creating this video, or if you are facing any problems, just ask me in the comments. I will try to reply. each and every comment. So thank you. See you later. Bye.